In the world of big cats, there's one species whose bite is the strongest of them all, the jaguar. But why? Why does the jaguar have the strongest bite force of any big cat? You might think it's because of its size, but that's not it. The jaguar is actually one of the smaller members of the big cat family. So what makes this cat's bite so powerful? Let's find out. Hi, and welcome to my channel. Here today we'll be answering the question, why do jaguars have the strongest bite of all big cats? So let's get to it. The jaguar is one of 4 big cats native to the Americas. Its range extends from southern United States to northern Argentina. This cat is an apex predator, which means it's at the top of its food chain in its ecosystem. Jaguars are known for their incredible bite force, which they use to take down prey such as deer, tapirs, and capybara. But what exactly makes their bite so strong? One theory is that the jaguar's unique skull structure plays a role in its powerful bite. Unlike other big cats, the jaguar has a very strong and robust skull that can withstand the pressure of a powerful bite. In fact, scientists have found that the jaguar's skull is the strongest of any big cat. This is likely due to the fact that jaguars are ambush predators, who often have to wrestle their prey to the ground in order to subdue them. Their skull acts like a shield, protecting their brain from injury while they grapple with their prey. Another factor that contributes to the jaguar's powerful bite is its teeth. Unlike other big cats, jaguars have teeth that are more blade-like and less pointed. This makes it easier for them to slice through flesh and bone when they're taking down prey. Additionally, jaguars have more teeth than most other big cats. They have 30 teeth in total, including 12 incisors, 4 canines, and 8 premolars. The extra teeth give the jaguar more options. When it comes to gripping and tearing into prey, for example, they can use their incisors to hold on to their prey, while their canines and premolars do the tearing. But the jaguar's teeth and skull aren't the only factors that contribute to its powerful bite. Another important factor is the muscles in its head and neck. These muscles are responsible for controlling the movement of the jaws and teeth. And jaguars have particularly strong muscles in this area of their body, which allows them to deliver a more powerful bite. For example, the masseter muscle, which is located in the jaw, is much larger in jaguars than in other big cats. This muscle is responsible for closing the mouth and increasing the pressure in the jaws. The stronger the muscle, the more pressure that can be generated in the jaws when biting down on prey. Even though the jaguar has a relatively small skull compared to other big cats, its bite force is estimated to be between 1,000 and 1,500 psi. To put that into perspective, the Siberian tiger, which is the largest cat species, has a bite force of around 1,050 psi. That means that the jaguar's bite is almost as powerful as the bite of a hippopotamus, which is around 1,800 psi. In addition to its powerful bite, the jaguar also has sharp claws that it uses to hold on to prey. However, unlike most big cats, jaguars don't typically use their claws to take down prey. Instead, they use their claws to help them climb trees and swim. When they're fighting, they usually keep their claws sheathed until they're close enough to their prey to strike. Then they quickly extend their claws to make sure that their prey can't escape. The jaguar has the strongest bite of any big cat because of its unique skull structure, teeth, and muscle structure. These features work together to allow the jaguar to deliver a powerful bite when taking down prey. Thanks for watching. See you next time.